Hello, Ellie.
Hello, Kim. How can I help you today?
Can you briefly introduce yourself?
Of course, I am Ellie, your helpful AI assistant integrated into the APplus ERP system. I can help you with questions about APplus, provide information, and support you in using the system. If you have any questions, I am happy to assist you.
Great. How does project management work in APplus?
Project management in APplus offers a comprehensive solution that is fully integrated into the other APplus modules. It allows for the management of both small and very large projects by breaking them down into multiple levels or sub-projects. Additionally, work packages and tasks can be assigned within a project. Before creating a proposal, it is possible to plan projects in terms of time, cost, and required resources. All costs incurred in a project, such as sales activities or constructions, can be recorded. The APplus project management also includes functions for rough and detailed planning of activities, as well as special functions such as percentage of completion evaluation and project risk analysis. All project participants, whether internal or external, are ideally integrated into the management. They have access to all relevant information such as contacts, project costs and times, documents, and much more. This greatly facilitates the planning, control, and management of projects.
Ellie accesses all information, documentation, training materials, and so on from APplus and evaluates them for the user. The user is virtually guided through all APplus relevant functions, and Ellie can explain exactly what APplus does here. I can accomplish the whole thing not only through a voice dialogue with Ellie, but it also works, of course, via text input. Let's just ask her via chat how the functionality of the dynamic attributes in APplus works. Not only does Ellie explain the process to me here, but you can also read what the dynamic attributes do. I can now ask Ellie exactly what I need to do if I want to create such an attribute. Furthermore, Ellie also lists the links to all documentations, manuals, and the like directly in the lower area, so that I can dive into the documentation, in this case of the dynamic attributes, with just one click. We will now ask Ellie not only how the process is generally structured, but also how a dynamic attribute is created in APplus. And here too, Ellie guides me step by step through the creation of an attribute, and again provides a detailed explanation and links to all relevant documents at the bottom. Ellie is now not only integrated into the internal APplus, but Ellie also offers all the possibilities of general AI functionalities. So for example, I can now ask Ellie if she can create a sales text for a packaging machine for me. And now, with all her knowledge, Ellie creates a text for a packaging machine that I can incorporate back into APplus. Similarly, it would be possible at this point to have this text freely translated into another language. That means I simply ask Ellie if she can please translate this text into Polish for me. Here too, significant time savings. The text is completely translated into Polish, and I have my language translation for my packaging machine. With Ellie, we achieve another milestone in APplus product development. By using the latest LLM technologies in conjunction with Flow, working with APplus becomes even more efficient and effective. This sets new standards in digital assistance in the ERP sector for more process security, guided work, and a forward-looking user experience.